Let me quickly teach you how to generate some watercolor painting using ChatGPT. Sorry, using MidJourney. Let me quickly teach you how to use MidJourney to generate a lot of watercolor for a lot of pictures around you. So you need to get your Discord. Then from there I continue. So I click on my picture, which is, it can be your name. Then I type slash imagine the prompt, then a water color painting for a book, title, the what kind of title can I use at this point? I'm thinking of a lot of title on my head. Title borderlessness. Okay, borderless nation. Okay, let me see what I can get from borderless nation. Okay, I want it to be in form of watercolor HD elements. Okay, let me just make it watercolor alone, watercolor and 4K. Then after that, slash imagine. Okay, borderless country, borderless Nigeria. This borderless Africa. Watercolor. Okay, this is not gonna be bad. For this, just a book, not really making sense. Then imagine, they have to be slash, then imagine a cat with children. Painting art with elements HD. Okay, this is a watercolor. Wow, this watercolor is not bad at all. The four, so you can, this particular one is skating, elephant skating, and this is not bad. The other one is loading, and with this you can generate as much as possible different types. Okay, I like this. It's just that I like the number 3. I like almost everything. The 2 and the 3, even the 4. These are not bad at all. All what I just need is to look at it again and again and generate all what I need. So My next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to combine your picture plus a lot of things to create something with the use of this platform called MidJourney. Remember how to save. You just click on it, then you click on the three dots, then you click on save. So MidJourney is actually very interesting. If you have not watched my previous video, go back and watch previous videos so that you can understand everything I'm talking about here. And I'm sure that endless creativity will come in by the time you practice more. So give it a try. Mine is loading, then yours can start right away. I've used this to create a lot. One of my most interesting arts with the use of this is my presentation. Some of my presentation during one of my class, I just use this generally to create a lot of illustrations. So give it a try, and I'll be moving to the next one. Let's see what we have generated. The one we are still working on. I click on the picture of the cat boy. Yeah, painting. Wow. So painters can get a lot of ideas from this. If you're an artist, you can come over here, come and learn some details, come and learn some color rendering and more. Then from there, your imagination can be endless. So give it a try. I'll be back with more video.